Sheesh versus Magnetic. Both Sheesh by Baby Monster and Elite's Magnetic are often compared by K-netizens and others worldwide for their debuts and distinct background. Sheesh and Elite have many differences in terms of their distinct concepts and popularity, but shares similarities when looked at in their aspects, in their backgrounds. Firstly, their concepts are unique from one another, but also to other groups. Let's talk about Sheesh first. Sheesh has an aura. It gives an aura of girl crush and a spooky vibe. While in Magnetic, it is quite whimsical and magical, with hints of cuteness and a sense of being demure. This in return gives them a lot of attraction. But Sheesh is more popular than Magnetic in YouTube. And Magnetic is more popular than Sheesh in Spotify. But let's delve on why that happens. Well, it is because Sheesh's target audience are those who use YouTube a lot, which are Southeast Asians, while mostly Koreans use Spotify or even Melon to stream Magnetic. Lastly, Sheesh and Magnetic are songs from K-pop groups, with both of them being in their respective groups' debut period. Note that Sheesh is the 7-member debut of Baby Monster, while Magnetic is the debut of all the members. Well, without Youngso.